The result of mechanical degree regarding thinking, planning, and conceptualizing has been remarkable, particularly for digital currencies. The individuals who adjust to the quickly changing business sector climate, develop, and the people who neglect to coordinate speed with the opinion, die. Similar turns out as expected for some prominent digital currencies. One such name is SushiSwap. The ongoing business sector rank is number 128 on CoinMarketCap, making itself continually solid and accessible at lower cost, upgrading the liquidity to the financial backers. Sushi, the local badge of SushiSwap, Sushi, has taken care of the predictable ascent popular of the financial backers. The advanced guide cut by Sushi for its clients has placed their power in the possession of financial backers, broadening the liquidity potential. Before we dive into the SushiSwap cost forecast, let us view a portion of the interesting elements of SushiSwap. Taking a gander at the steady upsurge in the cost of SushiSwap, it merits seeing how the value graph of SushiSwap has performed over years. Members benefit from the blockchain-empowered useful benefits. SushiSwap works with gains, however constructs trust. SushiSwap's portion-empowered accommodation as well as sustains confidence, assisting clients with building fortunes, sending different decentralized application capabilities as powerhouses and suspected pioneers. As per the specialized examination and Sushi coin cost expectation, by end of 2022, the cost of SushiSwap, Sushi, will be $4.41261 with positive thinking posing a potential threat in coming not many years. Time is ready to put resources into SushiSwap now. In light of the SushiSwap figure, the year 2022 may give a vertical push to SushiSwap, taking it to $11.370 temporarily. With a 5-year productive venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 347.36%. Your current $100 speculation choice might depend on $447.36 in 2027. As indicated by the most recent long-haul SushiSwap cost figure, Sushi cost will hit $5.11 before the current year's over and afterward $5.62 toward the finish of 2023. The cost of SushiSwap will ascend to $11.35 inside the year 2031. As per Sushi cost forecast, SushiSwap cost ought to show an extraordinary potential and a value change should have been visible to $4 before the current year's over in positive circumstances. SushiSwap value forecast 2022. Nonetheless, since the Sushi/USD cost ascend with an expansion in exchanging volume, moderately keeping a low exchanging movement may not be supportive of SushiSwap, as new coins cost are basically added to the dissemination, weakening the stock. Seeing the 100% return as significant, there are skeptical opinions winning that to bridge additional expectations of cost increment, pushing SushiSwap to $8.50 start of the year 2022. The typical cost could reach at $8.80 in 1 year. SushiSwap value expectation 2023. The capability of SushiSwap is additionally encouraged by the strong help region presented by prosperous Chinese business people. Being discussed consistently, the costs of SushiSwap have shown dynamism and change at the same time. Thus, taking the specialists' perspectives, Sushi value expectations, and help from the proprietorship, the resource cost might flood by and by because of fastidious arranging procedure being vertically at $12 by 2023 end. SushiSwap, Sushi, value expectation 2024. A few specialists likewise contend that the group of SushiSwap misses the mark regarding a forceful organization binge which can be accomplished as future outcomes and somersaulting the whole chain of occasions for the token. An uplifting cost expectation estimate for the later long periods of 2023 and 2025 demonstrates that the value change of Sushi/USD is ready for an astonishing excursion, posting a development pace of 1,325.589% inside the following 5 years. The typical cost will reach to $11.90 in the year 2024. SushiSwap, Sushi, value expectation 2025. Sushi Swap specialized examination and Sushi Swap estimate likewise show markets will shock its fans by fixing the future cost at $16.80 by 2025. Sushi Swap Value Forecast 2026. While the essential improvements have influenced the Sushi Swap, sushi, cost pushing them in a positive course, the digital money market is by all accounts holding significantly more commitment in the years to come. The main obstacle and the method of the thriving of Sushi Swap digital currency is gigantic steadfastness on decentralized applications at which the costs are absolutely reliant upon market development. The cost is anticipated to reach $17 in the drawn-out in the year 2026. Thus, it is a right speculation exhortation. As per the specialist's own examination, the sushi yield arrived at 1,500% in 1 year. The need to acquire sushi tokens to take part in the pool additionally checked positive cost change toward the start of the second quarter of 2021. Standing tall and firm around $3.53 of current cost with a market cap of $446,335,486.22, sushi is supposed to be bullish till this year end. At the hour of composing the Sushi Swap cost forecast, the circling supply waits around 127,244,443 sushi, and the 24 hours cost change is practically 6.84%. Sushi Swap, sushi, opening the potential. Sushi being liquidity in the possession of the financial backer is done full equity too. The whole foundation of sushi rotates around liquidity, and even more so when clients are not utilizing sushi. They can in any case profit from the halfway procuring receiving an attractive benefit. Is Sushi Swap, sushi, a wise speculation? In view of Sushi Swap cost expectations and in actuality yes. As per essentials of dependability and powerful openness of liquidity, sushi would end up being a trailblazer in the whole cryptographic money world. On a negative scale, this computerized resource, despite the fact that may not blow the rooftop at the cost but rather will doubtlessly stand firm feet on the ground. Financial backers and brokers can begin exchanging and a decent return can be anticipated from this coin. Will Sushi Swap coin cost reach $50? Remarkable or unstable development according to the momentary Sushi Swap cost expectations, sushi coin cost might be a distortion. Particularly in light of the fact that because of pandemic the vast majority of the digital currencies have endured a terrible shot. The equivalent is valid for Sushi Swap as well. Notwithstanding, the token has huge potential, thus the expansion and development is hopefully anticipated. Now that the pandemic is retreating, it would constantly be extraordinary information for sushi holders as well, and it very well may be the most exorbitant cost.